Also today on the 17th of July 2025.
Asuntoskeittiö Pohjolan piha.
It's Pohjankulma C here in Tampere, my first big one because of Finland, and we have also filmed the staircase here. And we still need to film the staircase BRT, but probably next time.
Yeah.
The best is 4 versus a 25 versus 8 floors, built in 1981 by ValmetSchlieren. The Series VS59, interesting serial number.
Yeah.
Maybe base 58 at 9.
Yeah.
Down to the basement floor. Sorry.
Mies piippaa kiva, jos pitää meitä paikkoon. Niin.
Yeah, that's it, like a real short sheet. You know, staircase A here. Now we also need to get the staircase suite here as soon as possible.
That's